Tirelo in Mzumbe, well, Mpumelelo gets married to another girl, honey. But Tirelo seems like she does not have a problem. She's enjoying the place, honey. But before I get to the story of Tirelo in Mzumbe, you know the rules of the house. My name is Ngosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Even last week Sunday, Tirelo posted a picture with Mayene's children, spending sibling, honey, enjoying some good time, having some great time. Seems like whatever is going on, Tirelo, she's not bothered. She even went live with Mayene's second child, Mini, honey, where they reacted on the video that has been circulating all over social media, saying that Mpumelelo is married to Nompumelelo Makanya, honey. Tirelo and Mayene's child, they were reacting, saying that they're so confused. They don't know how come they don't know that Mpumelelo is getting married, honey. So Tirelo, she's having some good timing. So we just remember that on izinganezesthembu season 2 episode 4, Mpumelelo was forcing Tirelo to come Zumbe and quit her become accounting degree, and people were really not happy, saying that Tirelo needs to choose herself and come to the situation, honey. Obviously we all know that Tirelo, she's been 7 months, alleged to say she's been 7 months without going to school, honey. So people were saying that Tirelo must not agree to Mpumelolo's decision of saying she must go to Mzumbe and not finish her degree, honey. I'm not sure if she's doing her second year or her third year, honey. People are saying that you need to choose yourself, because this guy seems like he's not serious with none of you guys. We all know that right now he's marrying his first girlfriend, Nompumelelo Makanya. Well, we thought of Vuyokazi, we thought Nosipo, she's gonna be the first girlfriend. It's all over confusing, and people are saying that they're not sure if these people are acting, because it seems like everything now is all over the place. And people are saying that Mpumelelo really deserve her own reality show, because her siblings seems like they have nothing to offer. They have no content, especially Abongo. I mean, the only thing Abongo says is Kuzoba Mnandi. There's nothing that is offering. And then and Claire, she's been hiding if she is single, she isn't rich, there's nothing. As was Ne, she's just complaining, saying that her siblings hate her because she's not educated. There's nothing that she's offering. You know what? They think that Usbindi deserve his own reality show with his 4 girlfriends, because now it is Vuyokazi, Nompumelelo, Nosipo, as well as Tirelo, honey. Seems like Tirelo does not have a problem when it comes to position. She just want to enjoy herself, and you can see that she has a great bond with Vuyokazi's daughter. We've seen that she even posted Vuyokazi's daughter on her birthday, honey. But when it comes to Vuyokazi, she does not even bother herself on posting people. She even follow those Spindy's girlfriend. Seems like with Tirelo, I understand she's giving Mam Kulus, you know what, a vibe, honey. You know what, understanding your man's vision. You know, if your man says let's go to the left, you go to the right. I think what Tirelo deserve to be Mamkul when it comes to this situation, because it seems like Tirelo, she's happy with everything. As long as Usbindi love her, she does not have a problem. As long as she's at Usbindi's heart, she does not have a problem. It's like Makumale. Have you seen that? Makumale does not have a problem with whatever Masamsalaka is doing, as long as she is happy, she's in his temple. Seems like Tirelo, she was ready for his temple. The way she's behaving shows that she was ready for his temple, honey. What do you think in the comment section, honey? Do you think Tirelo has moved to Mzumbe, has already quit her school to focus on this called, I don't know what to call it, is marriage, because they have not yet paid her bride price, whatever it's called, it is whatever, I don't know what we can call it, because at the end of the day, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Sunday. God bless you. Bye.